All right, thanks for joining us. We are at the 2013 UK Agile Awards and thrilled to have with me tonight's keynote speaker, Mr. Osman Kent. Osman is the CEO of Numecent, cloud paging technology, which he's going to tell us a little bit about. And he's also a very big believer and practitioner. His entire organization uses Agile to drive their software development. So Osman, thanks so much for being with us tonight.
My great pleasure. This is a fantastic event. And the champagne is great.
Yes, I would agree with that. The champagne so far has been very good. Hoping to have at least one more glass. So Osman, listen, again, thank you for being with us. And just before we came on camera, I mentioned the fact that you are using Agile. Since we have over 300 practitioners in the London metro area tonight, why don't you share some of the things that have helped your organization drive some of the recent success that you've had?
Sure. I mean, one of the important things for us is that we use Agile not only for our software development, but we use it for all our business as well. We are one of the most Agile companies you'll know. In fact, I don't want to give it away. You'll hear some of it in the keynote, and I'll share some extraordinary Agile stories with you, which makes us very, very competitive in the marketplace as a company.
It's interesting that you talk about that, because one of the things that we tried to do with the event is exactly that. Discuss the methodology as a catalyst for greater change, not just at the team level or the project or software management level, but the way that an organization conducts business. So if I'm hearing you correctly, and what you're going to talk about tonight is that it absolutely does drive that sort of catalytic change within a company. Is that accurate? Absolutely.
And our company mantra, in fact, you'll see this engraved on every door in our offices in Irvine, in California. It says, can do, will do. And that describes everything, and that's not only for development, as I said, that's for every aspect of our business too. But what we do for cloud paging is it's magical really, because we can take any native software and put it into what I call a sausage machine, and we generate a cloudified version of that application with no effort on your side.
I understand. And so tell me a little bit more about who cloud paging serves today, who Numecent serves with the technology.
Our number one customers are independent software vendors, but it's people like people who develop native Windows applications, the MSPs, telcos, and also enterprises. In fact, we announced these fantastic use cases a few weeks ago. One of them is a company called Parsons. They delivered 5 million CAT sessions from the cloud using just two servers.
Just two servers?
Just two servers using our technology.
That's fantastic. So that's a little bit about what Agile can do for an organization. I want to mention that Osman is part of the 2013 Gartner Cool Vendor List and was recognized as Business Insider's top 15 technologists in the world, I believe. So congratulations on that. And Osman, last question. For those that are considering the methodology to do what we talked about, to drive change, and if you're a leader in an organization that maybe doesn't know where to begin or how to get started, or maybe is apprehensive about the level of risk, what's the one piece of advice you might offer them?
It's empowerment, because the organizations which don't embrace Agile are top-down organizations. To embrace Agile, you need to trust your people, and you need to empower them bottom up. And that's probably the important transformative cultural change you need to do in your company, is to trust your people.
Very good, I love that. Trust, empowerment, and one of the most successful technology entrepreneurs maybe in the world, and according to Business Insider, is one of the top 15. So Osman, thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate your time tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Thanks, Osman.